Hey everybody, here's another bald girl makeup tutorial, so let's get into it. I'm going to start off with concealer on my eyelid, and as you can tell, I did not go in with setting powder or setting eyeshadow, transitional color, which is to set down the concealer, and as you can tell, it's very splotchy when I'm doing this, so I really had to blend it out. By the way, I'm using the Birdie ColourPop palette, and it's just like a really pretty pinks and purples that are in this palette. So I go in with this color, and it's like kind of being like splotchy on my lid, and I'm really trying to blend it out. And then I'm going to go in with my signature look that I always do, and that is putting a little bit of that dark color in the corner. Since I exclusively use the Birdie ColourPop palette, the color was like a very maroon color. I don't have the palette with me right now, but it's like a very maroon color. It's like the darkest color in the palette. Then I go in with the shimmer purple color, and I put that on the base of my lid, and then towards the outer corner of my eye, I put on that pink shimmery color. Really pretty, and it just kind of like changes this whole look. Then I go in and I do my entire face. I kind of wanted to do this quick because I feel like I do this all the time, the same thing in every video. So I start off with the tinted moisturizer. I go in with the concealer under my eye. I pat it down with the beauty blender, and then I put some setting powder under the eye. I let it bake. I do my highlight, my contour, and my bronzer, which is like in a C shape. If I wanted to do a more defined jaw, I do an E shape, but in this case, it's a C shape. And I don't know why I'm like tongue twisted right now. And then after that, I remove that setting powder, which I didn't show you guys in this video. I don't know why. I put on some blush on the apples of my cheeks. I like to smile when I do this to see like exactly where it's going to sit. And then I went in with the eyeliner. I barely show you guys this because a lot of this is done off camera. Eyeliner is basically off camera. Then I come in and I do the bottom waterline. This is totally optional. I just like the way that that looks. And then I curl my lash. I put mascara on. Then I do the other side. I curl the lash. I put mascara on. Then I put mascara on the bottom lashes. That's basically what we're working with. This is what you guys see in this video. Oh, I forgot. I also do my eyebrows. I always forget this because I have powder brows, so I don't actually need to do my eyebrows. So I just kind of brush them through, make sure that there's no setting powder or bronzer or makeup just sitting in them. I just kind of brush them and put them in the shape that I want. I'll do. And that's basically it. I hope you guys like this video.